As a trader, you want to be able to take advantage of the market's volatility and make profitable trades. But to do that, you need to have a good understanding of market sentiment, which is the general mood or feeling of market participants. That's where the Fear and Greed Index comes in. The Fear and Greed Index is a popular tool that helps traders gauge the sentiment of the stock market. It was created by CNN Money and measures 7 indicators, including market volatility, stock price breadth, and put-call options ratio. The index ranges from 0 to 100, where a reading of 0 indicates extreme fear and a reading of 100 indicates extreme greed. So why is the Fear and Greed Index important? When the market is in a state of fear, traders tend to sell their stocks, which can lead to a drop in prices. On the other hand, when the market is driven by greed, traders tend to buy more, which can cause prices to rise. By tracking the Fear and Greed Index, traders can identify potential opportunities to buy or sell stocks based on the current sentiment of the market. So how can you use the Fear and Greed Index to trade? First, it's important to remember that the index is just one tool among many that traders use to make decisions. You should never rely solely on the Fear and Greed Index to make your trades. Instead, use it as a complement to your existing trading strategy. When the index is at an extreme level of fear or greed, it can indicate that the market is oversold or overbought. This can present a potential opportunity for a contrarian trade. For example, if the Fear and Greed Index is at an extreme level of fear, and you believe that the market is oversold, you might look for opportunities to buy stocks at a discount. Conversely, if the index is at an extreme level of greed, and you believe that the market is overbought, you might consider selling stocks to take profits. It's important to note that the Fear and Greed Index is not a crystal ball. It can't predict the future, and there's always a risk that the market will move against you. Therefore, it's important to use the index in conjunction with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to make informed trading decisions. The Fear and Greed Index is a valuable tool for traders to gauge market sentiment and identify potential trading opportunities. By using the index in conjunction with other analysis tools, you can make informed trading decisions that have a higher probability of success. Remember, the key to successful trading is to always have a well-defined trading plan and to manage your risk appropriately. In addition to using the Fear and Greed Index as a complement to your existing trading strategy, there are a few other things to keep in mind when using this tool. Consider the context. When looking at the Fear and Greed Index, it's important to consider the broader economic and political context. For example, if the index is indicating extreme fear, but there's a major positive development in the economy, it may be a good time to buy stocks. Watch for trends. While the Fear and Greed Index can be helpful in identifying short-term market sentiment, it's also important to look for trends over time. If the index has been consistently indicating extreme greed, it may be a sign that the market is due for a correction. Don't ignore fundamentals. The Fear and Greed Index is a tool for measuring sentiment, but it shouldn't be used in isolation. It's important to also consider the underlying fundamentals of the stocks you're trading, such as earnings reports and company news. Be patient. When using the Fear and Greed Index to trade, it's important to be patient and wait for the right opportunities. Don't rush into trades based on the index alone, and be willing to wait for the market to move in your favor. Use multiple time frames. The Fear and Greed Index can be a useful tool for identifying short-term sentiment, but it's also important to look at longer-term trends. For example, you might use the index to identify short-term opportunities, but also look at weekly or monthly charts to see if there are any longer-term trends that could impact your trades. Avoid overtrading. While the Fear and Greed Index can be a useful tool for identifying potential trades, it's important not to overtrade. Don't let the index lead you to make trades that don't fit with your overall strategy or risk management plan. Instead, use the index to confirm or support your existing trading decisions. Be aware of market cycles. The stock market tends to move in cycles, and the Fear and Greed Index can help you identify where the market is in the current cycle. For example, if the index is indicating extreme greed, it may be a sign that the market is in the later stages of a bull market and due for a correction. Don't be too reliant on the index. While the Fear and Greed Index can be a helpful tool, it's important not to rely on it too heavily. The market is complex and dynamic, and there are many factors that can impact market sentiment beyond the indicators included in the index. In summary, the Fear and Greed Index can be a valuable tool for traders looking to gauge market sentiment and identify potential trading opportunities. To use the index effectively, it's important to look at multiple time frames, avoid overtrading, be aware of market cycles, and not rely too heavily on the index. By using the Fear and Greed Index in conjunction with other analysis tools in a solid trading plan, traders can make informed decisions that are more likely to lead to success in the markets. If you got some value from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to support and stay updated on our research videos.